Hello, good morning. I am Colonel Vinod Marwaha, an alumni of National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla. I was commissioned into the Indian Army in 1971 and took part in the Indo-Pak-Bangladesh War. After having served successfully for 20 years, I decided to leave the army prematurely and start something of my own. After having surveyed the various options, I felt I must give back to the society from whom I have got so much. And I started a MBA college, Indus Business School in Pune in the year 2000. When I used to conduct interviews of the students who were aspiring to join my college, I often observed that students had very good percentage, but their theoretical knowledge was not actionable on ground. Once I was interviewing a boy from BCom, first class from Kurukshetra University. When I asked him, can you analyze a balance sheet? He was at a loss. When I asked him what is cash reserve ratio required in the banks, he was at C. And when I asked him what is EBITDA and what are other terminologies in a balance sheet, though being from BCom, he could not answer. So I felt if I am running a college, I must equip my students with practical and actionable knowledge apart from having theoretical knowledge. Otherwise, their employability will be very difficult. Keeping this in mind, we started teaching our students both hands-on learning as well as supported by theoretical learning and case studies. One day I was in Fulton and I met my young friend Sanvit Shah. He discussed with me, sir, I am running practical BCom. I had never heard of this course. So I asked him, what is practical BCom? He says, we teach bachelors in commerce along with practical learning by attaching our students with the industry, making them make balance sheets, tally, accounting and everything else along with the theoretical studies. I thought it was a very novel idea and I decided that if I have to help children who study for 3 years and then get no job at the end of it, how I can equip them with knowledge which will ensure them a job after completion of the course. So after having heard about the practical BCom, I was very fascinated and I have decided to launch this course for young enterprising people looking for a career in accounting or chartered accountancy or any other field of finance. So I am starting this course at our campus at Wakad, and I am confident that students who pass through the portals of the college will get job even before they complete the course. I feel it has got all the right ingredients of theory and practical. I encourage all the young people who seek a career in accounts to think about this course seriously, because they would pass out of our portals along with practical knowledge and works experience while they are learning the course. Thank you.